Right. Hands up if you think you could spot every chemical you use in a day. Well, I'm about to surprise you. Because, whether you realize it or not, your day is absolutely packed with chemistry. Let's start in the kitchen. That morning cuppa? It's a chemical cocktail. Caffeine, of course, but also the aroma from hundreds of different organic compounds, and the tannins that give tea its color. And then, if you pop a slice of bread in the toaster, you're not just making breakfast. You're causing the Maillard reaction. That's a complex dance between amino acids and sugars, giving you that golden brown crunch. Delicious science. Move to the bathroom. Toothpaste. It's not just minty, it's full of fluoride and gentle abrasives designed to scrub your teeth clean. And that shampoo? Surfactants, making dirt and oil slide right off your hair. Even the bubbles are chemistry. Don't forget cleaning. That lemon-scented spray? It's packed with citric acid and solvents designed to break down grime. Bleach in the loo. That's sodium hypochlorite, a powerful oxidizer, and not something you want to mix with anything else. Seriously, don't. Now look at your phone screen. The glass is strengthened with ions and the display uses liquid crystals, literally chemicals, arranged to show you cat videos. Even the air freshener in your lounge is a clever chemical mix, engineered to cling to odors and replace them with something a bit nicer. So, next time someone says chemicals are scary, just remember, you've already used dozens today, and you're probably better off for it. Chemistry isn't just in the lab, it's in your life, every single day. Thanks for watching.